Ka Shillong Literary Festival ka badang yat manta Hanan Polok kala kring Shibun ki riu e pulekot bat kinong tho ki bawan na keleng saudong ban sngap i jingkren Shapang Shibun ki mat bat ki jura na ki riu Shampang habai kren bat katu kini ki bawan ban sngap ia kini ke festival ki laong ba kini ke festival ha kini ke kenti ka bamanta ka compare ban ye nujor bat kini kisnem ki bala dem kilapan pauru da kabaong ba kalong kabadon kam ba kikun samla kinwan bani shimbanda bat ban sngap yakum kini ki festival nama langba jongki ngila banyo shibun kijing mentoy kilapan pauru da kabaong ba kani kadai kalat kakabu kaban aiman sim ya kitu kiriu i pulikot kiba trang dik banang yai beteng bat ban Aiman simru iki kun samla bakin mi syakmat ban sim ya kani kakabu bat ban penlut ya kapor ke jongki ha kaban puli ban ya kaba pendon kam ya kini kikor kibor jong kani kejuk kabamanda.
It's good. This is my second time. Last year I came, and I think this year it's much organized, and I believe there are much more footfalls. And it's good that more people are joining, and that would also help people to just get curious about books. Maybe if they attend 1 or 2 sessions, it will be good. And I am happy because I'm a teacher, and I find a lot of young students coming, so it's a nice feeling. So kudos to the organizers for this program.
Do you think this kind of festival will encourage people to go back and read? Because now this culture has gone away, dude.
Yes, it will definitely. Somebody might just get curious, tired of their phones and social media, may begin to read, may enjoy, may pick up a book and start reading. So that's good. It's a good initiative.
Do you think now because the book reading has been reduced because of the influence of social media, and now with online reading, you can go. How do you see this?
I still believe people read, but not necessarily books, fiction or non-fiction. But people still read, but very less. They want everything in shorts, like in short news. So the long reading habit is gone, where they will sit and read a short story or novel. That habit has gone down, but people still read.
What would be kind of a message for you for young generations who are losing the touch of reading?
I think first they should hang out a lot with their own friends, not just always plugged into phones and earphones. Then they should talk, maybe watch movies, and the last thing is read. That's a good thing.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you for asking me this wonderful question. This is a question of my heart. I feel wonderful being here. This is the 4th edition, and I haven't missed even one. And as you can see from the crowd, the gathering, yesterday it touched 3,500, and today I think it is going to surpass even that. And that shows, the interest that's being generated by this festival. I think, it's catching up, and very soon. And I think with the grace of God, that, it will equal the festivals of other states like Jaipur Fest, Calcutta Lit Fest, Chandigarh Lit Fest, or, even Bodoland Fest, which was quite a name. It generated quite a name yesterday. So this one, with our ambience, with the fair name of the state, that peaceful, against all odds, all rumors that people spread that, this is not. But they will come, tourists are coming, they are flocking here now, and they are taking good vibes, not only from Shillong, but also from this festival. And I am here, I'm an avid reader, and this is an opportunity for me to, have the books, the authors, and the other associated people within my grip. Thank you.
What do you have to say, Zali? Now we have seen this.
Well, times change. We are counting as numbers. Even before, during my time when we were in college, we flocked to bookstalls, the libraries, because we didn't have any other aid, visual or audio aid. So that's why we had to take recourse to the magazines, the newspapers, the written word. But with the advent of electronic media, see, I'm talking to you. If it were not there, then I wouldn't be able to express myself so freely. I would have to take resort to writing, which to many people it doesn't come easy, But this is changing. You can see the crowd, you know. But I find one thing very interesting, and I think that may be going to the matrilineal system here in among our society in Meghalaya, that you find more, lady readership than the men. But then I think, that's in our DNA. The men generally are, very outwardly, they are extroverts, they have so many other activities to involve themselves with. But now it's slowly changing, and I find that, the changes coming as they were, at times when we were reading. Now there are times that, we were dependent on media, but even the media is losing its sheen. Most of the people don't watch TV. The news has lost its sheen. What do? We have to resort to the reading, the different journals, different magazines, the books. And what's more, we are hearing from the horse's mouths. What's good about the books. I have met the authors, which were my idols all these years, and I didn't think it would be possible. Had it not been for this festival, to accost them, to listen to them, to admire them, to touch them, So I think coming back to the new generation, I'm including my children, because it has to be inculcated at home. If please don't mind my saying so, if I'm an alcoholic, my children take easily to alcohol because it's available. Similarly, I have to inculcate the habits of reading. If I'm a good reader, if there are books thrown around like the mechanic tools, the children will take interest. And also it is upon the parents' storytelling abilities. You show me a grandmother that doesn't tell a story and a child doesn't listen. Similarly, if I have it at home, they will definitely pick up these habits.
Can you tell me a bit